All right, video number 3. Here we go. I should check to make sure we're zoomed properly. And we are. Excellent. For this, I decided to wear my high school senior service shirt, class of 2000. Pretty sweet. There we go. And this is 4th hour. All right, 4th hour. I decided I'd reminisce on some of the best of for 4th hour, things I can remember. If I forget something, by the way, guys, don't take it personally. I'm sorry. I didn't really plan this. I'm just sort of coming out. I wrote a few things down right now, and I'm just going to go with it. So, can't be perfect. But anyways, 4th hour is very weird. It's a weird segmented class. We've got like the people that talk, but talk quietly and non-destructively, like Kyle Huber, and yeah, he talks every once in a while. Amazing. Brian Jantz. Garrett Marler, you got that crew, and then you've got the other crew where Tom Wagner is the instigator, and he quietly says something, and then other people talk louder, like Kevin Reardon, Max Sherrigan, Ross Santee. And then we've got the juniors who don't really talk; they just giggle in the back. By the way, Paul, I hope you're doing okay back there. Now that Will and Thomas are gone for chess, I'm sure you can manage. But one of my favorite moments of 4th hour class is that you guys discovered the Calc 2 hidden haiku sheet. Yes, a hidden sheet in the classroom. So, 1st hour, 5th hour, you're hearing this now. Have you found the hidden haiku sheet? It's just in there. Feel free to contribute if you want. But when you guys found it, it was actually the first time I didn't know it. I caught you guys when you had it. Calc 2 guys had it running for a few months. I think it's pretty hilarious. So, anyways, let me read you a couple of my favorites. Let's see here. Man, this is a haiku, remember. So we got, man, this math is hard. Wait, what was that he just did? I don't get this. Sigh. That was a good one. And then, let's see here. They're all pretty good. But, shut your mouth, Vito. Shout. Take the derivative. Calc 2 class. Calculus 2 class. There we go. Anyways, 4th hour. There you go. So let's go on to problem number 3. And we have the base of a solid. We have this graph. And this solid is a square. Squares make things a lot easier to visualize, so this problem should not take us quite as long. But anyways, we're sliding this square along the x-axis, so it's a dx integral. The area of a square is side squared. And we have to slide. When does this turn into 0? When x minus 2 squared divided by 3, and 3 goes away, square root both sides, that goes away. So 2 equals x. So that point right there is 2, 0. So we're sliding from 0 to 2. Now this side is actually this graph. So this is going to be the integral from 0 to 2 of 3 times x minus 2 squared, and then that squared dx. So this becomes 9, integral from 0 to 2 of x minus 2 to the 4th dx. We can use the power rule here because there's no chain rule involved. If you want, do a u substitution, let u equal x minus 2. We'll get the same thing, but I'm going to do a shortcut here. So that's 9 times x minus 2 to the 5th over 5 from 0 to 2. We plug in 2, everything goes to 0. Plug in 0. You get negative 32, but remember we're subtracting when you evaluate here. So we actually get 32 times 9 over 5. And what does that end up being? So 9 times 32 is 8, 1, 288. 5 goes into that. 5 times, I should have brought a calculator with me, but I'm already in the middle of the problem. 57, that's 35, that's a 3, and 3/5. So that's 57.6. And we just slid the area of the square from 0 to 2. That is our volume. And there you have it. So, what tricks do I've got lined up for you guys today? Well, I know we're talking about the past. Well, in the past, I was telling you guys the trick I was working on. Where I took a club and I rolled it around my shoulder like that. Hey, that was pretty sweet. I just did it. So now, hopefully, incorporate that into the juggling pattern. We're working on it. The pressure's on because I just did the whole problem and it would really suck to screw this up now. Alright, here we go. Alright, I suck. Okay, anyways, try that one more time. Hey. Whoa. Hey, 3 times in a row. We're good. All right, so I was thinking about what ball tricks I could do after that. So I was like, all right, I use the shoulder, so I'll try to catch with the ball like that. And but that trick turned out to be really hard when I was practicing it. So I decided to do something else. Instead of catching it here, I would do something called an catch. So we're going to do that. I'll show you. I'm going to drop two of them, throw one ball, and you'll see what happens. All right, again, this is called catch. All right, here we go. Taking the ball. All right, we're throwing it. And I dropped it. All right. This is a great video. I'm not going to redo it, sorry. Okay, throwing it. Catch your hand. All right, I'll do that in a pattern, but the ceilings are too low. So someday you may be able to see. All right, 5th hour, your next, video number 4.